Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to enable DKIM for multiple domains. Now for this, I will give you two examples. So one with Microsoft 365 and one with Google Workspace. So let's start with Microsoft 365. So step number 1, sign in to the Microsoft 365 Defender portal and navigate to the email authentication settings under Policies and Rules, then Threat Policies. Select your first domain from the list and enable DKIM, signing by clicking the option to start the process. Add the DNS records provided by Microsoft to your domain's DNS settings, and repeat for each domain by selecting it on the email authentication settings page and enable signing. Now for Google Workspace, step number 1, sign into the Google Admin Console, then head on to Menu, Apps, Google Workspace, Gmail, and Authenticate Email. Select the first domain from the menu and click Start Authentication to get the DKIM record. Publish the TXT record in your DNS settings. And select another domain from the drop-down and repeat steps 3 and 4 for each subsequent domain. That's it. Thanks for watching.